Shothi bathe hayi tholani bantwana nini thina bese sitobatshela ngaNkulunkulu. Sitobayenda tigcila tethu. Because bekangekho lo la kulama Shemites bona ama Chinese. Bekangekho lo bekaya nathi emasimini ayabuwida.
So you guys were like slaves.
Yes.
They made you guys believe that you are slaves in the name of God.
Yeah. Abasebenzisa le calendar la noma kune holiday like Saturday Sunday siyasebenza thina.
Sure.
Maphoyisa beke ato search lapha to investigate ukuthi ngoba babafonela ngalana ngalabantu bafona ukuthi kunebantwana lapha so yabo neba under age. Hayi bathatha bayosibhacisa siyayiva ihelicopter man. Kuthi le ifuna thina le. Hayi bazange basithole. Abazange basithole. And yabona masikhathi solo sihamba every day ba make sure ukuthi vele bas brainwash too. It's been almost 5 years.
Sure.
Ngihlala la. Since 2001. Since 2005 manje. The only thing that ngiyendako ukuthi ngiyeko wida. You keep reminding us ukuthi we are cursed. Solo thina si
Sis wami right?
ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila man.
Eh.
Yeah, you stay in Mpumalanga.
Yeah, ngibe eMpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
eMpumalanga.
Konje what language do you guys speak in Mpumalanga?
Siswati ngiso lesikhulunywa kakhulu.
Yeah.
Mara nesitsonga, Sipulana. Yeah.
Vulavula Xichangani.
Eh.
Xichangani xa le ku xa le Giyani or le xiya xa hala. Speak.
How sa Giyani and Bushbuckridge.
Oh, Bushbuckridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, thank you so much for coming through.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Yeah. Please tell me about yourself. Who are you really?
My name is Dinah Mwakakhoza Sibongo. Yeah. Mina ngikhulele enzaweni bathi kuseMostorloos iseLimpopo kahle. Isemkhathini kweGroblersdal neJenfes. Yeah, ngikhulele lapho, qala isikolo lapho. Ngakhula lapha until ngize ngifike ku teenage years.
How was it like growing that side in Limpopo?
Yo bekumnanzi. Bekumnanzi kakhulu. Yathi sometimes nginekuthi mangihledi ngibuyele back to those years because bekumnanzi yathi mawusesemntwana nawe like like yonke into nje yinhle emehlweni akho. Uthemba abantu lula. Awusengakacabangi lutho lokukhulu.
How did you find yourself in Mpumalanga?
eMpumalanga ngishothi ngila kuchamuka khona baba wami. Imvelaphi yakhe uchamuka eMpumalanga. Then makwami ubuya khona ngala side ya Sejenfest bathi Gaphahla. Makwami nababa bami bahlangana esikolweni because makwami bekani albino then baba wami bekangaboni emehlweni. So kushothi bahlangana esikolweni sebantu labakhubatekile. Yeah, baba wami wasuka eMpumalanga ngokuthi bekude esikolo that side sebantu labafana njengaye so watithola seka alapha kulesikolo bathi busile.
Okay. You even know the school? I wouldn't remember the school that my dad went to.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, bahlangana lapho kushothi ngilapho thina saba khona and I think ngoba besacedzile isikolo papa sebaqala ukusebenza yabona nje. So it was easier for them ukuthi basikhulisele lapho. Mara besiva sivakasha vele that side siyobona bogogo, bobabulomkhulu, bo-auntie yakubona. But vele sikhulele sihlala lapha eMostorloos.
What language are they speaking? Is it Tsonga?
Limpopo.
Yeah.
Khulunywa Sepedi.
Sepedi. So uyakhona ukukhuluma neSepedi.
Kabulela Sepedi.
So khuluma Sepedi, Tsonga,
Siswati, Sizulu naso ngiyasikhuluma. Kepha nyalo vele ngoba sengihlela isikhathi lesithe ngale Nasport, Nelspruit eMbombela. Vele sengikhuluma Siswati vele.
Siswati vele because you stayed there for many years.
Yeah.
Let's talk about why you're here. What happened?
All right. Yo. Lendzaba yo it's Mara ngiyikhuluma nje ngoba injalo ne. Yeah. Shothi kwayendeka kutsala it was 2001 ne. Uyabona ukukhulela vele ekhaya le Christianity ukuthi vele sikholelwa kule asati lutho besides lokho. And then kwayendeka ukuthi 2001 makwami washona ne ngo-August. And then okay sisazama kubamba ukuthi okay mama ushonile. Then esontweni ngilekhanise bathi bona batshela babami ukuthi no, there are brothers and sisters that are coming from overseas ne. They are coming here to South Africa or to Africa nje. They are coming here because bete kutoyakha skolo. It will be skolo nje se Christian school, but bayofundzisa tino letiningi like letingekho la kulikolo tembuso lete government. Alright, ngiloku vele batalise basitshela betakithi because angithi baba ni meeting bona babodwana. Then I think batali nabo beva this opportunity lenhle kangaka nabo bavuma, but bathi babuye batokhuluma nathi kuqala if sivuma thine bantwana. Then yeah, I remember vele that night baba mabuya ngitshela uthi yo kuso vele like nayima kakhulu uyabona. And nami bengisasemntwana ene mina ngikhule kakhulu eclassini esikoleni bengimntwana lo beka brilliant kakhulu nje bengiva ngathi nalapha esikoleni ngiyabambeleleka like ngiva ngihlala ngitshela baba ngithi ngifuna kuya like kulama private schools because ngiva ngathi yo ngisalele emuva basafuna kufundisa ngento lengiyatiko so mabangitshela ukuthi toba nesikolo leso I felt ukuthi hayi man lapha ngofitha in very well. Okay, and then ngisavuma vele bathi okay bafuna abantwana lese bakhona ukuthi igezela abakhona kwenda labakhona kudendela nje tinto. And then kwatholakala ukuthi lapha ekhaya because seswambe se angasahlali nathi ahlala somewhere bekungimi lo mkhudlwana ke bobhuti wami labayithu labata emva kwami ebasese bancane bona vele basathinga unakekelwa. Alright vele ngavuma vele ngaba excited ngisho sinalaba labanye esontweni bantwana especially Sunday school yabona nje lama teenagers basitshela ke nalamanye ama branch vele bekase kwaga bothemba lethu ya. Alright vele kwafika ilanga la ukuthi kumele siye phela soyibona lendzawo lebathi sebayitholile bona. I think bekungila kubo September October sahamba vele ngema taxi vele sibacasha ama taxi sahamba vele masifika lena yo ayisababona labo brothers and sisters ayibona beba welcoming nje yabona mawusesemntwana ubona and most yabo bekuma Asians. They were from Taiwan, China, yeah, Chinese, like those Asian countries, Malaysia, most of them, yeah. And uhlala ubabona TV, these people like usuqala kubabona okay they are not abashayi kung fu abadli kudla lokuyede okay. Sivele mawusesemncane it's easier to just blend nje in nje ujwayele insawo. Safika vele sathola ukuthi kunalenye couple lebeyishada yabona nje kunemshado kumnanzi man. Alright sajabula sibona nalaba labanye bakulamanye ama branch bantwana yabona si happy nje ukuthi sisatota sitohlala lana uyabona nje yeah. Hayi yabona bathatha abatali bethu babakhomba ukuthi hayi so yakha lana babakhomba vele okay lenza beyisa developer because nabo bebasacetha kuyithenga. So lenzawo mangakubekisela ukuthi it's just outside man, outside from everything because it is a farm. Leli yabona lama farm la ukuthi vele that place ma farms kuphela. Deep yabo. And babathenge indzawo lekhulu vele it was very yeah beyindzawo lekhulu. lapho bekufamwa i-wheat, i-oats, soya beans. Yeah, mostly nje bekufama loko, then eluseni. Yeah. Then okay, asibuthi lokuningi nathine basikhomba just indzawo le-empty lekhulu. Uthi okay, so yakha lana, then sayoyakha nethempeli lana, then amadomsweni sowayakha lana, uyabona nje. And then okay, it's fine, sabuyela emuva. But hayi mabavala tikolo nyalo ngoDisemba bangabuya labantwana. Hayi batali bethu bavuma. But hayi lesikolo vele sesicalile vele kusiyakha bayeta labatoyakha. Yabona kuthi nje kuba into just ya 3 months nje. Laba khona bobe vele sebanema class while bafunza siyachubeka siyayakha. All right. Safika ngoDisemba. Yo beng excited to a point yokuthi the day basilanza ngayo emakhaya bekuday yokuthi kumele sithole ama-report. Angizange ngathi ihlupha nokuya esikolweni, like I was waiting vele ngiphekhile everything. Bangani bami bathi awutayi nawe uyikolanza i-report, ngithi ngiyangibambelela mina ngiyahamba. Yo, I remember vele bafika basithatha ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu saya lena. Bekunalomnye make vele lo bekunguye vele lo, like bebathembe yena, like we could see ukuthi hayi lo make lo vele batshela yena, then yena utshela thina, sahamba naye. Masifika lena, it was nice. The first week besingayindi lutho. Safika nje the second week ngile khani sebacala kusifundisa kudla kwabo, because yo it was not easy ukuthi sidle kudla kwabo. Kudla kwabo kuhluke kakhulu. Like kancane basifundisa, because bona bebane hymn book yabo. Anti vele it was into yokuthi space lisondo uNkulunkulu. Bekungasi hymn book lejwayelekile lethina satilona icilongo, bekungilelinye nje. Okay, sesicala kufunza ingoma tabo, sicala kufunza ama dance abo. Yeah, that vele the whole December it was all about that. Uthi vele sivuka ekseni, we get breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then it's all about uthi we are practicing. And basikhomba nema video from laba chamuka khona, like other children le bo Malaysia, bo Taiwan. This is how they are doing it. Nathi siyajabula. It's okay. Nathi sesiyofana nabo, yabona. How now say uyaphela December, makaphela December, kucala January after boma fasting and all that. Hayi sebacala ukuthi asisayi kofunza letinto leti bebasifundisa tona. Naku sebasithuma umsebenzi, yabona. Hayi masivuka ekseni siyakutshintsha ama-pipe, like yabona ama-sprinklers.
Yeah.
Naku sesivuka ekseni ngabo 5. Siphakamisa ama-pipe, like siyaphaka. Yo, ayasinza. By that time I think I was 10 or 11. Most of us like the oldest lo bekakhona lapho bekanabo 15 ngaleso sikhathi. I think besi 50 or something bantwana labo bebalapho ngaleso sikhathi. Sivuke siphakamise, uyabona nje. Hayi man, but we are raising questions among ourselves ukuthi kani sesiyasebenza noma side kutofunza, because tikolo setivuliwe, bantwana sebaye esikolweni. Hayi sesicala kubabuta ukuthi hayi man, what's happening, kwenakalani? But okay, biyani sitohlala phansi sikhulumeni kahle sifuna kunitshela the real reason why thina sila eAfrica, ne? Hayi sahlala phansi nabo basitshela ukuthi the real reason thina we are here because we are coming to revive. We are bringing a revival to Africa. How a revival? How? Uyabona nje. Hayi then bacala bathatha iBhayibheli basifundisa Genesis. Leti ngiyalikhohlwa ukuthi liku chapter bani leli verse. There's a verse lapho kutholakala Noah ayeke wanatha like iwine, because vele he was a farmer, bekafama ilo. Then wayenda tshwala. wanatha. And then watsawa, I think now we are like little verse. Magatsawa, walala angcono. Then it says ukuthi Noah had 3 sons, ne? He had Ham, Shem, and Japheth. So bona bathi Ham is the black people, and then Shem yibo ke ama-Asian, like the Chinese people, and then Japheth abantu labamhlophe, like white people. So lapha eBhayibhelini lithi after Noah sekanathile walala atsakiwe, Ham wafika wathola babakhe angcono, wafika wamhleka, like yabona nje wamhleka wabitala like his 2 brothers kuthi hey buyanitobona. Then the 2 brothers mabafika lapha bazange babuke lapha, baguquka bamfulathela, bathatha ingubo bayombathisa babwabo. Then iBhayibheli lithi makavuka lapha Noah eva ukuthi kwendakaleni, he then cursed uHam ukuthi like he will be a slave to his brothers, to Shem and Japheth, which is the Asian people and the European people, ne? So kibo bathi thine abantu labamnyama we are cursed people. That is why sibona iAfrica ide. Yakhumbula back in those years 2000s with Africa vele. That is why Africa is a dark continent. Everything that is happening in Africa, it's because of that curse. Ne? All right. Oh, you don't even know the word curse. But sabana this thing, what's okay, manje yosuka njani that curse? Because nitela kutoyisusa phela ngithi. And bona bathi they were the chosen one vele ukuthi mede vele to bring the revival. Okay. But hayi nine funzani iBhayibheli, like nilifunze niphile nalempilo le yaseBhayibhelini. If you do that, then nidokhona nani ukuthi kube ngini futhi lenisita the rest of Africa. Okay, asesicala kudideka man. Masisesebancane mara siyababuta ngesikolo ukuthi but are you still going to ukuthi nakhe esikolo na? Yes, we are still going to do that. All right. Kancane all right, basinika umsebenzi uyabona. Kancane nakuya. Sesingena emasimini ke manje because bona bathi bona because they don't use ama chemicals in everything. Bakhulisa tindo organically because that is how God wants tindo tibe ngakhona. All right. So vele if vele ukhulisa something ne ungasebenzisi ma chemicals ukuthi maybe ma weeds makakhula kumele wabulale ma parasites and all that. All right. Then bekuba ngithi ke lesingene emasimini and pull out those weeds. Okay, sikwende lokho like uma usesemntwana ukwende like wholeheartedly nje. Sivuka ekseni every day okay sivuka ekseni siyathandaza. And then we wear timpahla tokusebenza siyahamba siya emasimini. Siyakusebenza, we are pulling out weeds. Everything nje lebasicela ukuthi siyende siyayenda like farm vele umsebenzi wase farm. All right. 7. Then I think beku April batali babuye. It was a convention. Bekuna something sort of because bona basebenzisa i-calendar bana yabo i-calendar like asebenzile bebangasebenzisile lejwayelekile. Mabafika batali basithola manayi man. We've lost weight. Sesidarker in our skin color yabona nje. Hayi man nendani nilana nje niyafunza nje. Hayi sesiyacala siyakhuluma thine lana basitshela ukuthi this thing yabona nje thine we are a cursed nation or cursed continent. Kumele uyabona nje batali babe furious man baye laphana kubo baba ukuthi kani ngoba thina nikasitsheli konke lo hayi siyosakha isikolo immediately makuba nama questions Sebeyaqala-ke sebagubha ama-foundation ukuthi okay. Like sebayayakha phela isikolo. Batali mababuyela emakhaya, hayi bayastopha lapha bayayekela. Sichubeke and ngaleso sikhathi vele thina labaningi besinganawo ama-cellphone, even nanoma ngabe bowunayo bebangavumile ukuthi ube nayo, like bebayithatha. Alright, if ufuna ukucontacta mtali kumele uye le e-front office, then yeah utokhona ukukhuluma nemtali wakho. Nakhona bakuquestiona ufuna kuthini, ufuna kwenani, uyabona nje, and they make sure vele ukuthi uma ufona someone vele ula eceleni nawo. Alright, sachubeka njalo si everyday nje. And mind you ukuthi abasebenzisi le calendar noma kune holiday like Saturday Sunday siyasebenza thina.
Sure.
Yeah. And then I remember someone abuta uthi okay ngoba siyasebenza manje why ningasibhadali? Bathi hayi nisebenzela inkosi nina. You are not of this world anymore. You are the chosen ones. Yabona nje, you are not gonna live like the worldly life.
And anifundi.
Asifunzi. And by that time thina labanye sisesebancane asengakhona ne-communicator kahle nange-English. Like uma ufuna ukukhuluma nasama ufuna because bakhona labanye laba sebakhula khuliyene bafunza abo private school mele utshele yena. It was hard. It was hard. Okay. Kancane batali bagcina babona ukuthi hayi man this thing khona lokushaya mandi la. Yabona? Labanye vele like babathatha ngenkani like forcefully bantwana babo lapha. Babalanze ngenkani. Like bangafuni but babalanze. Labanye baze bafonela amaphoyisa ne?
Abazali.
Bafonela amaphoyisa. Ukuthi hey there's this thing that is going on enzaweni leso ne. I remember one day bake basithatha because lenzawo beyinemfula ne basithatha basisa ngale kugcineni kwemfula ngale ukuthi kunemaho like lenzawo uyayibona nje ivalekile so ngetihlahla so basisa khona because maphoyisa beketa ato search lapha ato investigate ukuthi ngoba babafonela ngalana ngalabantu bafona ukuthi kunebantwana lapha so yabo eneba under age. Hayi bathatha bayosibhacisa siyayiva i-helicopter man. Kuthi le ifuna thina le. Hayi bazange basithole. Abazange basithole. And yabona masikhathi solo sihamba every day ba make sure ukuthi vele bas brainwash to hayi batali benu ningabalaleli like yabona nje like basesebancane to this thing like you must treat them like bantwana labancane because nine seniyayi understand. Yeah so vele bekuba ngiloko nje ukuthi batali mabazama kusitshela like ukuthi ay man buyani why kani yabo no thina sifuna kuhlala laphana because we are a chosen one, we want this igoal yethu vele baze basifundisa igoal and mission yokuthi kahle thine sihlaleleni lapha ya yabona. Alright hamba isikhathi siyabona nje sesi strong vele to the faith vele si strong, we are committed. Nangithi siyakhula umnyaka uyahamba uyaphela bengina 10 sengina 11 but still vele every day we going to the field siyakowida siyakosebenza vele basically when it comes to harvest season asiye emasimini siya egranary because bese bayakhe nema granaries siya ku package everything like if baqale ngehwit sicala ngehwit yabona nje ma 25 beswaphakamisa swafake ku container like sure. I don't know how many containers ngelanga
25 kg
yebo besingena lapha kule granary like angithi mayi yo it was so scary mara bafostela ukuthi munye wethu angene lapha ya because beyinala kustaka khona lapha kunesikhala la ya wena uyashova so ukuthi I remember ngesikhathi planting season because kusetinzabeni lapha ya uthola ama monkeys like ma baboons every kinds of monkey eta lapha afuna kudla ngithi like amabahlangelile bakhipha ama-seeds bebasigadisa lapha ukuthi thina sicoshe letimfene lapha ya usitibiyele lehlathini baze basinika libhayisikili if uticosha ngala tiyabaleka tishone ngale mawusowushana ngale nathi setingeyo mara besikwenda loko yo besikwenda like effortlessly like besiyenda yonke into kahle ne ya ne kwafika isikhathi la ukuthi bathi kumele sibitele abanye abantwana like bebane ukuthi okay sibitele abanye abantwana yabona Saturday Sunday besibebane kusifaka emateksini sihambela emadrobheni like mangikhumbula likho lidorobha libe singalihambi la eSouth Africa samba siyashumayela sibatshela about this gospel but asibatsheli ukuthi hey usothina siye esikolweni sine just siyabashumayela like yabona ukuthi hayi it's time ukuthi sihlanganeni man like black people can live with Chinese people yabona abantu labaningi la eSouth Africa bebangayingeni like bebabuda ukuthi hayibo nini nibantwana nendani Chinese like i-concern ya lot of people la bisama khona bekuba i-concern vele ukuthi hayibo nifunani nalabantu bathi badla abantu ke sithi no abadli bani yo labantu laba ba right they from like bathumelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi asizoletha imvuselelo uyabona nje hayi babona ukuthi hayi South Africa ayingeni inzaba yakhona ayibacala basendela ama-passport saqala ke sangena eAfrica like the central region the central part of Africa saqala sayiBotswana ke eAfrica ke because angithi yabona bona bebalalela ke Zambia sihambile yo sathi Zambia sathi Kenya, sathi Tanzania, sathi Uganda, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Malawi. Yo, sihamba. Sibashumayela and I think asesekhona vele lamanye ama branch that side. Because besihamba shiyat number if bafuna ukuthi bete bona that.
What church is it?
But it is a New Testament church.
New Testament church.
Mm. Yeah. And then sabuya from Africa, we came back. Sachubeka with that life. Okay, nyalo seniyabona because we are going to other countries. Yabona mara ukuthi the revival is happening. Ningawari nini. Nkulunkulu is using you ukuthi this thing must happen uyabona nje. All right. Labanye abantwana vele bese because kuna at some point bebasivumela like once in a year ukuthi sivakashe emakhaya. Nakhona uvakasha 1 or 2 days. Like labanye abantwana mabavakashile makubo babakhiyele like ukuthi bangaphumi that ukuthi bangasabiyeli le. Sagcina sesila kubo 25 lebe sesisele. All right. I remember masibiyale Africa something was not sitting well with me yabona nje. Lembile uthi ngilovuka ekseni emasimini ngosebena like it's been 3 years ngilana. Ay nami sengicala vele kuba na a lot of questions ukuthi hayi man. Nasafika lathi ngilithemba lokuthi nitekto yakha sikolo nilethele okuhle angedinga lokubi but there's nothing that is happening yabona. Ene basitshela ukuthi kutobana labanye abantwana from labo Taiwan Malaysia labatota abatofunza nathi. Aw ngikucocela story mabafika bafika maybe nabo 15 16 years ne maybe balethe 10 or 20 ne uyathi umntwana uya drive usebenzisa i-computer ngathi toy udriver i-truck udriver i-excavator uya welder like because bese bathenge le irrigation system le yamanje yabo yemavili uya i-welder completely ana 16 so uyofunza yini that person Like yo lo muntu una 16 years but operate excavator like ngathi toy. Like when that yo okay sathi thina okay mind akusanandzaba ngesikolo because sesisalele emuva vele. Sicela nathi nisifundiseni like computer, drive ama truck nathi sitokhona kube ngithi because nisitshele ukuthi this farm yethu is for us thina abantu labamnyama kahle. Then akube ngithi lesidevelophako phela. Yo bantu abasafuni sebasijika abasafuni bani ayi mina ngagcina ngabona ukuthi kusho thina uya esikude ukuthi sihambe songena emasimini so wida anda langa lishisa langa laseBreads liyashisa noma imvuliyana noma ilanga liyashisa akuna holiday akuna off like sisebenza Monday to Sunday. I mina ngacala vele and I was the strongest one. Like ayi benginayo le vision vele ngiyibona but hayi ngagcina sengibona ukuthi hayi ngilokuse ngicala ngifonela baba ke ngimtshela ngithi baba yo ene baba mbeka khala each and every day asitayina buya ekhaya. Hayi ngagcina sengimfonela ngithi baba mina ngifuna kubuya mina ekhaya sengifuna ke esikolweni mina ayikho lenzaba la labantu laba bayasiyenga laba shothi babone lapha ukuthi hayi mantayina socala contactana nabo bakhe yo athathe iphone bayiconnecte through the speaker labe sidlela khona bekuba ne speaker nje like ukuthi if bafuna ukukhuluma something bakhulume. Mina ngiyakhuluma lapha efonini lapha eofficeini ngikhuluma nababa angathi uthi ngiyavakala lespeakeni. Then one of them lapha webantu labamnyama will translate to them ukuthi no Diana is saying she wants to go back home. Yabona nje on this date. Oh mangicatha ukukhuluma lapha. Batofika noma bayi5 bangihlalise phansi bangithethise. No, Diana vele ngeke size sikuvumele uhambe. We've come a long way. Like yabona eBhayibhelini there's every verse. Ukuthi ungayisebenzisela ebuhleni noma ebubini.
Yebo.
Yeah. Like baba sense lawo mavesi nje like yeah ugcine nawe sowubona ukuthi okay understand ungasafuni khamba.
Yeah, they're manipulating you.
Yeah.
Your verses.
Yeah, vele bona vele kakhulu bebasebenzisa lokho. All right. Kwafika isikhathi sokuthi ngiyavakasha ekhaya okay papa bese amuvile eLimpopo ne sekabuyele back to his family vele. All right, angisavakasha eMosoro sengivakasha eNelspruit. Mangifika laphana bona abantwana like all my relatives bantwana babo baya esikolweni yabona nje bavuka ekseni bagcoka uniform baya esikoleni ngize ngibakhapha yathi like mababuya esikolweni bayadlala like but they are just being kids, you know. Hayi bani enhlitweni yami ngaba na this thing ukuthi mina angikwati mina konke lokho. Angikwati kuya esikolweni, angikwati kuya esikolweni ngidlale. Yo. And I felt in my heart this longing ukuthi ayi nami ngiyakufuna lokho mina ngifuna ke esikolweni. I want to be something nje. I had big dreams nje. Ayi ngabuyele emuva. Mangibuyele emuva vele. Yo sengikwatile vele. Ngibuyele emuva because bebasinika imali yokuthi sithe emakhaya neyokujika ne. Alright, mangifika ngabatshela ngathi mina angisafuni ukuhlala la mina sengifuna kubuyela emuva. Yo bangizame ngalama Bible verses bazame ukungimanipulate ngathi no. Mina sengifuna it's been almost 5 years.
Sure.
Ngihlala la. Since 2001. Seng 2005 manje. The only thing that ngiyendako ukuthi ngiye ko wida. You keep reminding us ukuthi we are cursed. So lothi nasi the curse is not being lifted up. 5 years. Yo vele mawukhuluma njalo bathiyana ushothi kune demon phela. They have to pray for you. And vele they will pray for you. Batshelana labo abanye ama-brothers and sisters from Taiwan, when they are praying, you will hear your name being mentioned. Noma bathandaza ngalesi Chinese. Uyeva ukuthi bathandaza ngami la. And yathi lokhu kubuhlungu ukuthi I remember they bought 2 Maplas, Masafika. And they named the other one Jacob's land. The other one, it was Joseph's land. Hayi, sasebenda the first year. The second year, bathenga lawa lamanye la, like the neighboring farms, 2 more. But he said, it's Ephraim's land and Manasseh's land. You will hear like Magnema conventions because others, like Labo brothers and sisters from thousands and thousands will come to that place. Naboba from NTC, the New Testament Church. Dova seba give a testimony ukuthi yo, God has blessed us. Jacob's land and Joseph's land managed to buy Ephraim's land and Manasseh's land. The prophets were managed to buy like mangisesemntana I will hear this and ngicabanga ukuthi shothi ngithi musithine lesi we are working here. Kahle kahle siyasebenza thina kuba yineli profit. But uyabona umntwana ne and then back influencer like ngilibhayibheli kakhulu uthi unganaki the things of this world. And I must package laphana ngiyabona man this is a brand la kunabo PT yabo bathi in LTD PTY yeah that thing
It's a registered.
yes siyabuta ukuthi why are you selling them but no it's for the other brothers and sisters abasana kudla like lebo Malaysia even the United States bebakhona abasana kudla we are sending this to them yabona thina sathi sisebenzela the other brothers and sisters because they said we are a family ne all right sisebende yo yabona it was so sad yathi ngize ngiba emotional ne uma ngikhumbula nje the way besisebenza ngakhona like nanoma uyalimala they didn't care ukuthi I remember mina ne because vele family yami besingekho besinganamali my father bekaphila ngempesheni and bebayenda umsebenzi wetandla so it depends ukuthi how much they sold leyo nyanga so it was not that much si4 ekhaya plus siswami sonimntwana I remember labanye abantwana bona bebathola like bama cosmetics tinto mina bengakutholi and wes ukuthi babami vele bekangafuni ngithi ngiqhubeke lapha because at the end of the day ugcine vele sangasafuni at all uyabona but mina kungimi lo bengiphusha ukuthi no papa uyabona nje so ngiexpect ukuthi futhi aphinza ngithengele tinto atsende ukuthi mina I was bengihlupheka when it comes to yabona thina simanumbatana we have our menstruations yabona bengihlupheka like I have to beg ebanganini laba bona abatali babo ba into that thing
Yeah.
all right kwamba okay ngilekhani sengibatshela ukuthi angisafuni mina ukuba lapha uyabona kuningi lokwendekile ngiyacabanga lokuningi ngikushiyile lokwendekile ngikushiyile but yeah all right kwafika lapho ukuthi okay like it took 6 months ukuthi vele babone ukuthi angisafuni ukuhlala lapha because I was not even going out like bengithi mina manifuna ukuthi ngiyemsenge ngosebenza biyanitongiphakamisa mina ngisafuni ukuhlala la nginikeni imali ngifuna kumuka mina uyabona all right bagcina babona ukuthi hayi because I was threatening vele uthi vele ngofonela amaphoyisa I don't know how ngibengiyoyithola njani ifone
Yeah.
like yeah bagcina babona ukuthi yo lo so uyasihlula bangikhulula ngafika ekhaya ngafika baba wajabula that day I remember very well wanginika ihug like Yo, wakhala baba wami wathi, yo Dina. Athi mina the way besowungakhona Dina bengicabanga ukuthi lama-China kuloyile athi. Like awusesemntwana. Awusesengumuntu like athi yathi angikuboni ne-physically but bengifila man ukuthi there is something wrong ngawe like kuthi ngathi sowuligogogo nje. Okay, sengibuyile ekhaya, sengifuna ukubuyela esikolweni. Ngihambe ngithi ngiyakubhalisa esikolweni bathi bafuna i-remove, bafuna i-report yala bengifundza khona. Ngibafonele, bengisana inamba yabo. Ngibafonele ngithi mina ngizama ukubuyela esikolweni ne. Bathi bafuna i-remove ne-report. Bathi ngihambe ngolandza lo sengikhulile senginemabele so. Bathi ngihambe ngolandza lokwaka grade 5 lengikushiye 2001.
Ha.
Leso sikhathi ngi-2006. Ngathi mina isengingaka ngingize ngibuyele ka grade 5 mina like it's impossible. Tinsangatami setfundza bo grade 9, 10.
Yeah.
Bathi angeke size sikhoneke thina ukukusita lapho. Ngithi mina bathi noma ngingabhala like i-letter. Uyabona? Uthi hayi Dina siyamati, uyabona? Bengidoti ibonela mina ukuthi ngikhetha kanjani. Bayale vele bathi bona bakwendi lokho. Ngitshele baba ngithi baba mina ngifuna ukubuyela esikolweni labantu abafuni ukunginceda lapha. Ngiyende njani? Athi baba hambe e-police station. Uyabona? Ngihambe nge-police station ngo-reporter everything. Yeah, ngikhulume konke lapha e-police station. Bathi bona e-police station yo lenzaba lena thina asiyati because iyendeke in another province, yendeke Northwest. And lana kusempumalanga komele ugibele uhambe uye le eNorthwest. Yena ngaleso sikhathi anginayo nemali, anginayo nemuntu longangisita like ngemali ye-transport, yabona? Alright. Bathambe ema-social workeni, maybe angakusita ngenzaba i-transport. Hambe ngema-social worker nakhona ngifike ngikhulume. Ma-social worker athi hayi yo thina lenzaba le hayi asiyathi sacala nokuyiva ingetulu kwemandla ethu. Hambe uye ka-Labour. Hambe ngiye ka-Labour. Ngifika ka-Labour lo babe wanginika lithemba like wafuna ama-numbers abo. And makafona right there and there. Bayiphendula vele, uyabona? Mabayiphendula wathi kimi lo babe ayi ngizokhuluma nabo like ngizofonela abanye bo-inspector le ePretoria ne. Yeah and then I will call you back. Yo ayi ngalinza ngahlala wangangifonela back sengiyenda i-follow up laphana ngimkhohlwe nesibongo sakhe lo babe ngathola ukuthi bathi akasasebenzi lapha uphume impesheni, uyabona? Kwamele ngicale phansi futhi nalomunye. Mangicala phansi nalomunye inspector wangitshela ukuthi yo hayi hamba uye ka Human Rights Commission. Thina this thing is asiyadi thina. Hambe ngiya ka Human Rights Commission nakhona like abantu it's either angathi ukuthi abantu ukuthi bangiside njani or vele there is no department le vele ibukana naloko. Hayi lo bhuti naye angibuke mangicoca le story like uyeva nawe nje nyalo mangisicoca like athi yo sesihambe ema-social workeni alapha eNelspruit. Okay ngihambe ngema-social workeni like mawusasilalela le story like they will not like giving you hope ukuthi batokusita but at the end of the day no alikho isito lengilitholayo. Yo ngibuyele emuva ngibafonele ngithi yo it's been 2 years nyalo sengihledi mina angiye esikolweni angikhona esikoleni sengibambelelekile on top of that those years. Bathi bona vele thina Dina ngeke size sikuside ngalutho kanti wena vele bowuhambelani bowutitshela ukuthi wendani, yabona? Like bengibafonela cishe every day. Bagcina bathi leka ema-social workeni eNelspruit bathi yana inzaba yakho siyayiva sesi ne but kutomele uthole labanye laba bonabo noma at least ingaba yi5, yabona? Kuze ukuthi masiyiphakamela this thing siyiphakamele nebani labaningi bufakazi labaningi. Alright. Ngizame man ngena ku Facebook because mangiphuma le bani bebanganama cellphone and I'm not sure ukuthi some of them they're still there or baphumile angathi lutho. Ngene ku Facebook fortunately ngithole one of them sekuphumile naye. Hayi ngimchazele story. Azame naye ukutshela labanye kani those children labantwana labo abakaphumi out of NTC, out of the church, just basuke lapha kuleyo ndzawo lendzawo yayibita ukuthi Mount Hermon. Baphume lapha eMount Hermon like ukuthi they are not there anymore but basonda yabona nje. How bahambe bayokhuluma le ukuthi Diana ufuna kwenda lokhu nalokhu, like they're not on my side kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Hayi lo munye wabo angifonela athi Diana yekela kufonelana na these people because bahamba bayokhuluma le ukuthi wena ama plans akho ngilokhu nalokhu. It's like mina I want to bring down Mount Hermon. Vele I was the evil one, vele ngatshintsha vele I became their enemy. Hayi ngabuyela le ma social worker ngathi yo mina lesito angilitholi because laba ukuthi baphume completely anginawo ma contacts abo, nginalaba bokuthi basukile but bona still they are brothers and sisters balelo sondo. So angathi uthi ngene yo like it was like bengibuyele emuva ngiyaphambili kanti ngithi sengiyawina kumele ngibuyele emuva. It was ngibafonele vele ekugcineni ngithi athi mina angifuni kubita amaphoyisa. Angifuni kunenda lutho, just nginikeni iproof yokuthi ngihleti lapho. Noma ningabhala amanga ukuthi bengifunza, it's fine. Ngibuyele esikolweni. Ngekhanse bangithreatenisha, ya Diana. Lento lo uyifuna kuyiyenda ngikugcine kahle iyekele. Uyabona? Iyekele vele because so yekuthini manje, so yisekuthini. Yekela. Bahlala bangifonela ke bona. Iyekele lento. Yo ngiloku napapa vele sekaba worried. That's Diana. It's not worth it man. For impilo yakho. Uthi ungaze uluze impilo yakho. Njengoba basho ukuthi bayekele. We will make a plan ukuthi ubuyele esikolweni, ne? Ngoba vele sekukhuluma epapa yabona. Like ngayekela nami ngoba ngimbona umuntu lomdzala ukuthi hayi this thing naye yamlimata man. Ngokuthi angikho right, like ngine depression, like vele angisi right because solo ngifuna lisida ngilitholi and I went through this thing, I need in a counseling kuningi nje angitholi lisito lele ngilidingako kahle angilitholi. Hayi baba wangendela mzamo ukuthi ngikhona ukubuyela esikolweni through my social worker. Ngabuyela esikolweni ngafunza ngabuyela ka grade 10, 11, 12. After 11, 12, I think it was 2011. Sengihlete ekhaya and by that time NSFAS bengasithi njengamanje. Ngifuna kuya esikoleni phela, I want to do something nami. Akunamali ekhaya, akunamuntu longangisida. Athi papa hayi man. Labantu laba phela wena bobasebentela for 5 years. Abakaze bakubhadala. Diana fonela labantu batshele net ukuthi bakubhadale at least le mali lo yisebenele, ne? Ngibafonele. Yo, hayi. Yeah, like ngisusa iwar. Yeah, Diana so uyaqhubeka futhi ngaleti indoda yakho, thina tindzaba takho sakutshela sathi thina asisadingeni tindzaba takho, asisadingeni tindzaba takho. Stop calling us. Yabona manje ke ufostela ukuthi sende into lesingafuni kuyenda.
Yini leyo?
I don't know. Hey, papa wavala amagama lawo. Wathi yo, Diana. Labantu kani banje? Like yes, I knew ukuthi they're not good people, ne? But like vele ukuthi they don't even want to see you. Show ukuthi.
And ubamamele ku phone.
Yo. Ngabayekela vele, like ngabayekela. I think from that time vele papa nje bekani kukhuluma ngayo like abalingisele like the Chinese language, like kube ngazuthi siyahleka but bengasabafoneli. Now the other ones bengasabafoneli that I was with them because I knew they were still going there, ne? until recently nje ngabo 2016 sengibo labangifonelako Dino right uyaphila usibani bani naye usaphumile eMount akasahlali laphana akusanabantu vele lapha wonke umntwana usophumile manje babiyele emakibo uyabona nje mina sengibana the thing ukuthi vele sengiyekelile that thing vele it's out of my mind, it's out of my life uyabona ngivele ngivume nje kuphela hawu manje yeah but the other brothers and sisters baseza for ama conventions and stuff from overseas and thina lekanisise lapha if they are coming they will not come and help us lapha emasimini they will come ubona imoto leti ama tourist tibathatha tibayisa Kruger National Park bobona the big 5 thina sikaze sayiswa ngisho lapho bona bebathathwa yo kubusy labanye brothers and sisters baseta laphana for conventions kwangathi sebaqashile ke abantu abasebenzayo lapha eplazini yathi bese kuna 5 maplaza for God bese kuna lelinye lebalithengile it was a big farm lapho ke bekuneti inkomo ne I think there was more than 300 tingomo lebetlabo. It was a big one. Sine besiya laphana ngokuthi like if leyabona lesibaya sesingcolile sefuna sokhipha lobulongo yabona nje. Or uma bathi ingomo ilahlekile or bayitshontshile besiya uthola sihamba la emahlathini sihamba sifunana nengomo. Yeah.
So do you feel like you were human trafficked?
Yeah. Ngiyafila njalo like bayende ngendlela leslime nje like yabona nje ukuthi no sifuna kubayenda ticila but bangaboni ukuthi baticila.
So the farm or the land that you guys were working and even the vegetables or the fruits, they were actually selling it to other companies,
to other countries. Yeah, bebawa export.
And those countries, they were not aware that there's actually kids who are working out these products.
I don't know lapho because sine bebasitshela ukuthi we are sending it to the other brothers and sisters from like I mentioned Taiwan, Taipei, Malaysia, in the United States. Yeah.
This is serious.
Yeah, it is. There was just a lot of countries, especially the Asians one. Beba lapho vele.
So they took you guys out of school? Sure.
Like, mina inolengivise ebhlungu kakhulu like recently ngize ngisukume futhi nyalo ngisukumele. It's because okay baba mushone 2023 and yabona the time agula papa, it was the only thing that he was talking about. And but bekayiyenda still because baba bekana that sense of humor ahlekisa and ama jokes like bekayiyenda kube joke and mina bengasahleki anymore because like bese ngimane ngisa papa nawe ay yabo. So okay 2024 ngathola i-call from one of those I think beka elder but bekashade nemntwana walomfundisi, the one who came with this idea to our parents athi hayi mantana ya ngizwile ngobabakho ukuthi ubabakho sekashonile, I'm sorry to hear about that kodwa ngiyakudinga serious. Ngithi mina okay lana kusho ukuthi ngidinga laba abantwana laba bebahlala le Mount babhala incwadi ukuthi bekwenzakalani, everything ubhale nje everything yabo, because mina nami sengifuna ukuyisukumela le ndaba. So mina how after all these years like ngikhani uthi hayi bengisolo ngufuna but bengana contacts akho Dina yazi la kuzomela ngutshele something uyakhumbula the time nisasuka like the time kuba nama parents meeting and all that, there was a leader i-leader bekungulomfazi wami nabazali bakhe bekungibo bafundisi vele. Ngithi ngiyakhumbula. And there were other brothers and sisters from Pretoria ne. Engove angifuni ukukhuluma amagama. Nabo they were also like kungibo vele labakhulu labatshela abatali ukuthi kwenakalani. Ngithi mina I remember. Uthi you won't believe what I'm about to tell you. Ngithi mina uthi phela those people they were getting something. Bangena lapha because vele bebabathembise something. Ngithi mina something like what? Uthi labantu phela bama-shareholders alapha kuleya ndzawo. Because you remember, if you are a white person in South Africa or ubuya kulinye live vele, there must be South Africans if ufuna kuqala ikhampani. Angithi yo.
So these pastors, they partnered with South African black pastors to start this company, buy the land, because these Asian pastors, they are the ones that actually had the money. So they saw that, okay, cool. How do we find a way to get people to work the land?
Yeah.
We can't go to adults. They're going to need more money. Let us kidnap kids, put them in the Northwest, in some farm, to work the land. And within...
That is why ngiloku bengisho kona ngithi mina kusho ukuthi bathe hayi tholani bantwana nini thina bese sitobatshela ngaNkulunkulu. Sitobayenda tigcila tethu. Because bekangekho lo la kulama Shemites bona ama Chinese. Bekangekho lo bekaya nathi emasimini ayakuwida.
So you guys were like slaves. Right?
Yes.
They made you guys believe that you are slaves in the name of God.
Yeah.
If you don't follow what they're saying, it's like you know, the curse won't be taken away, as you say.
That is what happened.
That is crazy.
It's cruel. And to think ukuthi laba besithembe bona, batali bethu bathembe bona. They knew the truth. But decide ukuthi babuke imali. And you could see, man, ukuthi these people there's something that like batali bethu, like they are remaining poor and but bona they're buying cars. Like ngathi bathenga amandongomane nje. They're renovating their houses. You'll hear ukuthi no, this brother lo bekase Pretoria has bought a house in town. But our parents are remaining poor, like there's nothing happening for them. But ibona impilo iyadabulisheka mani yaphambili, and they will testify, hey, we thank God, not knowing ukuthi they are also getting something.
What church is this?
The church is called the New Testament Church. It's a New Testament church.
Is it not from New Testament Church?
No, it's just the New Testament Church.
Does it have a logo or something?
No.
It doesn't have a logo.
I've searched them. I can't find them.
You can't find them?
No.
Hey, my daughter.
I've searched them while I was busy trying to go back to school. I tried with maybe Ngatola or something. No. Even that place, the Mount Hermon alone, it's not there.
Have you tried going back to the mountain to see if maybe they're still operating there? Because they bought the farms, by the way.
You won't believe, ne? Because the time meaning buyanga like kai bang tal form. But sign this paper. Okay, mine ngimntwana. I think I was 13 or 14. Utsatsa sign. How maseng like haya one of those labasele la parts. Dina mara ubonile lel paper lol sign now. Bo sign al paper loguti you are not allowed to come back here. If you come back here, bane right yokuthi bangakudubula bakubulale. I said, how? I didn't know that. Mina ngathatha ngasayina ngititshela ukuthi maybe it's just isivumelwano ukuthi ngiyahamba ngekhaya yabona sivumelene. Angizange ngifunze vele. I was just so excited ukuthi sengibiye ekhaya.
Do you think the church is still there?
Yeah, bathi likhona because lo babe lo ngifonele lo and a funny thing ukuthi at first ungiconvincile naye because into lengizondako ukuthi he is trying to fight the wife because they are now divorced, ne? Like ukuthi ufuna kumletha phansi. Like I don't know, like ufuna kusebenzisa thini. Maybe they are fighting. timbi tabo. So because law knows the whole story ukuthi no wena you took bantwana wabayisendzaweni leso. And that person ungithishera cabanga nje. She's a teacher. But ukhonile ukuthi asithathe thina sisele knowingly ukuthi akunasikolo lesiyo yakho athine siyakusebenza lapha. So ngayibhala lencwadzi lele ngisendile ne bengibhalele yena lo babe. After skhathi man ngambona ngathi man this person is using me. Kulwa timbi takhe, like the truth has finally came out ukuthi no, this thing it was planned ukuthi no nine hamba nositholela abantwana babuye batosebenza la masibala sitobachela ngaNkulunkulu uthini. Yabo.
To brainwash them.
Yeah.
I would love to have a chat with the husband, one of the people that you guys were there with. I'm sure you can find a way to get us in contact with him.
Yeah, I don't know if he utovuma because this thing yakhe ufuna kube ngazuthi I think because he knows ukuthi a lot of people will be arrested, you know. Ngathi mina I see a public with this thing because I've been trying to find help. Unfortunately angilitholi lisito. It's like akekho umuntu lo watiko kahle ukuthi kumele ayingenelele njani this thing. Hayi ungayi public. Hayi ngithi mina okay ngcono ngithole ilo izokudurela izokubizela imali onganayo dina. Like uyabona nje ufuna ukuthi we must do it his way.
Ukuvala imlomo.
Uthi yena ufuna kuyibhalela baka I don't know, but it's a teacher's thing laba corrupt and all, like ulwa kahle nemfati wakhe. The truth is out because ulwa nemfati wakhe. So I don't know if yena atovuma utokhona kubuya or the other kids laba baphuma lenganawo ma contacts abo bangayibona le podcast maybe bona bangavuma ke babe maybe bangacontacta nabo bafune kusho side labo because nalaba bokuthi bathi bona basukile lapha but basaya. I don't know ukuthi why are you still going there? Yini lenibambile ukuthi nichubeke niye kule yandzawo? Why? Lenza you destroy like if you like mina at least ngashesha ngaphuma labanye baphume like 2 years later 3 years later sebabadzala. Did they manage to go back to school? What is happening in their lives? And I remember mangibatshela ukuthi mina sengifuna kubuyela ekhaya sebacala bathi hayi dayina ungabuyeli ke because we see ukuthi you are so sonzele kulomnyaka wa 18 years. Vele besitshela ukuthi uma nonke senhlanganisa abo 18 years sesidocala kunibhadala sekusho ukuthi wena sidocala ukubhadala nyalo usana bo 14 so ungahambi ngathi mina I want to go back to school. I didn't say I want a job. I wanted to mina bengitshathi ngiyofunza ngibe something ngibe ngcono empilweni. I didn't know that nine nisilethele la kutosicilata. And when you talk about this name slave, bayokulecturisha like the whole day ngeBhayibheli. Bafune mave yobe ba ready bebawakhipha ngathi bawakhipha la isikhwameni mavesi. Like ngikhumbula nyelanga kweta iembassy. I don't know ukuthi like I think it was yase Malaysia ne yeta lapha. But hayi ningabatshela ukuthi nihlala la. Batsheleni ukuthi nihlala around nje lapha eBrits bekunemalokisha nita after school. Sithi why? Hayi asifuni ba raise my question. You know the outside world people how they are, you know. And then it's so funny because ngikumbula uma siya koShumayela because we ended up usigcina sithola ama branch ase Witbank bo Soshanguve like ma branch nje malokishi lamaningi. And if ufika lapha namhlambe you are interested ngalo lesona ngithi ubona thina masinabo then uthatha umfundisi you have your own church they will say no that is a denomination church. Labantu kumele ba follow our gospel. The church name will change. It will come ukuthi be New Testament church. You see? Shothi bona everything thina lesiyendako vele
It's wrong.
it's wrong.
I don't know who are these people, but they're messing up.
The prophet lo bathi nguye i-founder ye New Testament Church ne.
What's his name?
Igama lakhe ngu-Elijah wakahong.
Is he there on Google by chance?
I don't know. Maybe nyalo khona because he also passed away, I think last year. Because kuloku ninguve kuye lo babe lo bekangifonela athi, hayi Elijah sekashona, nalaba bekahamba nabo nje bekahlala nabantu labahamba nabo. Sebashona, wakusana muntu dayina lena. Yo, like it's just the Lord. I also didn't know ukuthi bengimele ngicale kuphi kahle kahle. I just thank God uNkulunkulu ukuthi angibonise ukuthi hayi man hamba uye ku Justify. Yabona.
And I'm totally like, yeah, but it's crazy. That's insane.
And tonke letindzawo tabo like in la South Africa bekune Mount Hermon, right? Then in Taiwan there's Mount Zion. In the US there's Mount, like it's like Mount this, Mount. Okay, there are names but thathe eBhayibhelini and stuff. But yeah, nabo Mount Zion, Mount Olive, Mount I just forgot. There's a lot. Yalama branches. But la Africa bekungiyo Mount Hermon. So I don't know ukuthi like bo Mozambique, Zimbabwe bagcine nakhona bayenda. Yeah, nguye lo. And umasiva ukuthi bathi vele bamcoshile even le kule country yakhe. Bebambopha phuma ejele. Abambopha because bebangavumelani na the way bekashumayela ngakhona le gospel. So bona bebayisebenzisa ukuthi yana bazama yabo persecutor, bazama kumhluphekisa. He's a true man of God. He is sent by God, yeah, bekuba naloko nje ukuthi we had to believe in him.
So Shonile. Hey, sisi wami ngiyabonga yazi. What happened to you was wrong. And this needs to be known. Who knows? Maybe the place is still operational.
It's still operational.
There are kids there. And
yeah.
Their parents need to know about this. I mean, most of the time, human trafficking, we know it happening, in South Africa. They take kids and then they take them overseas. But when they take kids in a nice way, using the name of God and overworking them in South Africa, hard labor without even paying them. Actually, a kid who's 11 years old is a minor, is not even supposed to be working. That is wrong. So I hope this story reached out to so many people, even victims, even the ones that went with you at that farm. They get to come out and say, we agree with her. We were there. This is what happened. And they get to tell their story, to protect the ones that are there. Hopefully or probably there are those who actually want to leave the place, So, but thank you so much. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, bonga mina. Like, it's so funny because the time Papa Gula mangisho ukuthi like bekane kukhuluma nga this thing, but ayikhulume like yabo. Like I funny said nathi like Africa ukuthi these people must bafana na the way labantu labamhlophe basithole ngakhona, like they were using iBhayibheli. Yabo, so nabo they knew ukuthi thina abantu labamnyama we believe, we have hope, sithinga just the hope, sithinga someone nje ukuthi they know us ukuthi vele sinjalo. Like spirituality is a big thing, kids. That is why bastrap vele, but they knew. They came. I remember masengicala kuba fonela ngidzinga sito ukuthi I want to go back to school ne. Bathi Dina, uyabona even nanoma ungaya kuphi la South Africa kude umuntu lotokusida. South African law system is very weak. Ayekho lotofuna kukusida, so you are just wasting your time with us lana. Just move on. Ngithi mina but after 5 years ngihleli nani, like like there's no akunalivelo ke ukuthi you know me. You know, I was the strongest one, you know, ukuthi yingimi lebe ngilida like labanye bantwana ukuthi sihambe sofuna labanye bantwana futhi.
Where are the partners from Pretoria? Are they still there?
Yeah. They're still
They
there.
have a church,
Yes.
New Testament.
But no, they don't have a church there in Pretoria. They go to let's say the Mountain Man.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. I don't want us to talk so much. I don't want us to drop too many names, but
Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much for coming through. Appreciate your time.
Yeah. You're welcome.